Yo, what's going on, guys? Got an install video for you today. We're going to be putting these Sparco seat brackets into my EM1 track car. I picked a set of these up off Facebook Marketplace. I put them in my passenger side, and they look really good. Here's my passenger side. Let me get some light on so you guys can see. They look really good. I got them for super cheap. I think like 40 bucks. I just picked up a new pair from a track shop near my house. I think it's called Track First or Track Times. I really should look that up. But we're gonna get rid of the sliders on this side. These are just basic Recaro sliders, nothing insane. But I just want the matching. It's gonna look way better. So yeah, let's get into it. How much did you put in there? What?
Two hours later.
All right, so basically we're gonna remove these Recaro sliders. There's 4 12mm bolts holding the actual seat brackets into the car. We're gonna get those out, and then we'll swap the brackets out. All right, guys, so we got the new seat brackets on. We got brand new bolts. We bolted them in. When you're getting bolts for this type of stuff, make sure it's grade 8. You want a strong bolt. If you ever crash your car, you don't want these bolts to break. So you want the strongest bolts you can get. So now we're just gonna mount this center strap right here to the bottom of the seat bracket. I want as much meat as possible, but I also want to be able to adjust it if I need to on the fly. So we're gonna kind of get just so there's enough room to adjust it. We'll go right here into the center. I'm just kind of eyeballing it with the middle. This here's a like a center punch. Just gonna put it, because I want it a little to the left because I think it's a little far to the right. So you just push this in, and if you could see if I can wipe that off. But if you can see, it makes a perfect little dot in there, so I can drill. I'll do it again. Do it a couple of times. You see that? Then we'll get our drill bit and we'll step it up. See if that fits. Snug. Perfect. Run that bad boy right up through there. Put our cushion back in and we're good. All right, guys, got the seats in. They fit perfect. Perfect leg room, right at the perfect height. You want to make sure you adjust these so you're not like lifting your legs. You want your legs to be resting on the edge of the seat so you don't get fatigued and stuff when you're tracking the cars. But we got them in. Everything fits great. It was a relatively easy process besides this one bolt on my back right side. It's because the seats don't slide anymore. I bolted them straight to the actual seat brackets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, do all that cool stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.